This is Priscilla Batzell. That is a real red Sherwin Williams twice primed 16 by 20 inch canvas and some silicone and plastic spatula heads that I have notched out to make toothy tools out of. I'm going to put those aside. I'm going to grab and use my OXO omelet turning flip and fold best paint spreading tool spatula I know of and spread some paint, starting with some Chantilly lace. Not sure where I'm going from there, but I think I'm going to figure it out as I go along. And I want to use some Carnival, which is a primary element. The Chantilly lace was a Prizm pour. That's the Carnival. This is from the new Frosted Sorbet line, which is Primary Elements. This is Cherry Sorbet. Come out. I've got to start with something, so that's my solution. I love fuchsia plants, so I figure I'm well off to give myself permission. I'm not sure what I want to do from here. Don't want to waste any of my paint, so I'm happy to knock it off on the edge. I'm not sure that I'll be spinning. I doubt it, but my spin box is still in place. I'm thinking a little bit of ginger flower boysenberry combination. And some Big Apple and Orange Crush combination. And some Interference Red. And some of the new Icy Iris from the Frosted Sorbets line. Oh, one more color. Partially sour lemon and orange crush mixed. I think I changed my mind. I've been called to adding something odd. I'm going to add some of the chiffon pink. If I don't like that. Okay, I've got a brighter pink. Let's use, where did it go? Huh. There it is. Tango pink. Yes, absolutely. Okay, so I want some more of this Big Apple Orange Crush combination. And I want to put some of my Carnival right on the blade of my spatula. I'm going that way, so that is the correct. Open it all the way. I don't even know. I was going to put black in here and use the toothy tool, but I'm not sure that's the way this is going to happen. Could just be fun the way it is. And it is fun the way it is for me. So I'm loving that blue up there, and I'm thinking there might be more in the future. The Big Apple Orange Crush combination seems to be pretty good. That was more Carnival. This is more Cherry Sorbet. I'm not as sure about that last stroke. But it's not going to keep me from picking it up and putting it down somewhere else either. I'm loving that icy iris. And I think I want more. And I'm definitely going to use it in conjunction with the combination of Boysenberry Ginger Flower Primary Element. And I may still do the black. Better not mix it up too many times or you wind up with green or mud. More cherry sorbet. Or carnival. And maybe a little poinsettia, assuming that it's open. And mixed. Give it one more shake. It's been a while since I used it. So that's going to flow freely, I can tell you now. It just leaves me that upper left hand corner, which is probably your lower right hand corner. And I'm totally still enamored that icy iris. And this time I'm going to use some blue Grotto. And I think we're going to stick with the Boysenberry Ginger Flower combination. You know what? I'm going for broke. That's the Carnival. We'll see if I add black or not. This is that cherry sorbet again. I had some pink diamond I was supposed to use up, but I didn't. There we go. That was fun. Gonna use the paint on my spatula. I think I'm going to grab a palette knife just to take the residuals off my spatula. I've got a few dots here and there. Sometime I'm going to have to use a palette knife and just see what happens. I think it's time for this to go in the bucket. Whoa! I almost made it in the bucket. I got stuff falling everywhere now. Well, maybe this is the time to use the palette knife with the black. A little more Boysenberry. A little more cherry sorbet. A little more carnival. Yeah, not sorry I used my palette knife a bit. That's good. Now it's time to figure out what else I want to do, if anything. If I put black in there, it's going to be pretty extreme. And I'm probably going to... I'm going to be a little crazy for a second. Gotta do it. Gotta try it. Grab a new spatula. Yes, spatula, no, palette knife. Brazenly. I don't mind it. I don't know if I want a toothy tool in there or not. I think I'm going to put the black on the palette knife. It's unnerving, so don't think you're the only one if you're a little freaked out. It's my first real serious palette knife swipe. Oh, I like the scrape. I'm still craving some more blue, and I am interested in trying it on the palette knife. As long as I open it all the way, I can get some out. That's the blue Grotto. That's the Icy Iris. Do I have elbow room? I don't know what that is. I don't see that I want the toothy tool yet, but it might be interesting to try. I'm craving some darker purple. That Boysenberry sort of fits the bill. This is fun. I recommend this. I like it when you get texture by accident too. I'm wondering about adding a little bit more of the Chantilly lace. I want more black. I'm going to try it right on the palette knife. I might want more gold. I'm thinking, I'm not looking for cells, so I'm going to try some of the Indian Spice Gold. Oh, I've got black where I wasn't expecting it. I've never tried to combine these two, but I've never really done this either. I'm going to move that. It's kind of exciting. I think I might be almost done. I'm not done with the Icy Iris or the blue Grotto though. Neither one of which did I get much. I still want some white. I think it's time to wipe my palette knife off and contemplate what I want to do about the white, the desire for white. There, I don't mind that. It's a little more. Alright, so we're out of time, except for the next few minutes. I can tell you that I have over 2,600 videos. If you're interested in watching them, go to my channel and search for playlists, all playlists, creative playlists. Or ask me, because I've got them organized by topic and genre. And I'm happy to help you. And the 100. Where do I want anything else? Do I want anything else? What is this? That's the straight Boysenberry. I know, I'm still at it. That's the blue Grotto. Well, it is what it is, and if I stop now, it might be okay. She said, hoping she could force herself to stop. So what can I tell you guys? Thank you for the thumbs up. I appreciate your kind words and your comments. They keep my morale boosted. I'm appreciative of you being here. I post 7 days a week at 2:15 Eastern Standard Time currently. And it's a PM thing. And that's just kind of fun. It was a palette knife and spatula swipe. And I don't think I've ruined anything, and I could probably shimmer that at you. It's sort of a first, so I'm not going to hold myself to any like humongously high standards, but I am going to get down there and shimmer it at you if I can. Can't wait to see what it dries like, since all the paints added were shimmering. Oh, it's pretty from up here. Really pretty. Let's pull it forward a little bit. Ooh. I could use this as a stage 1 too. Go back and add some texture tomorrow. Or I could just have fun with it. Wow, that is so pretty. Really dramatic. Different than usual. That's never a bad thing, I don't think. Well, I'm sure that would... You know what? I so want to see what the texture was going to look like. There, I don't think I hurt it any. I had to at least say I tried. Alright, I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. If there's anything I can do to help you out, you're welcome to ask me, and I'll get back to you in comments. I love you guys much. Give me a thumbs up if you wouldn't mind. Look for my link tree with my website, Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, Facebook groups, links to all kinds of cool stuff. And if you want to find merch with my stuff on it, by looking there, you'll find it. And if you can't find what you're looking for, just ask me. I give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, and I do sell my artwork, and I really like this. The more I look at it, the more I like it. Thank you guys for who joined. $9.99 a month will get you an option to view all of the new additions to the members library. I have 2 books on the Amazon link. If you shop there, it's at no added cost to you. And Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities are volumes 1 and 2, the first and the second 100 videos I made for YouTube. Spring clothing below the video. Another great place to shop. I'm going to let you guys go. My email address is easpb and the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com. Should you be interested in purchasing an artwork or taking a lesson with me at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, just use my email address. My paint pouring recipes are below the video.